Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to redeem a Just Eat gift card so you can use it for your next order. So let's get started. First, open the Just Eat app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the section called Account Credit. Tap on it and you'll see a box that says Get a Code. Enter your code here. Type in your Just Eat gift card code and tap Redeem Code. If the code is valid, the amount will be added to your account credit automatically. You can now use that credit to pay for future orders directly through the app. And that's it. That's how easy it is to redeem a gift card on Just Eat. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.